How to reach board 300 in Monopoly Go. Now, the very first thing that you want to do for you to be able to avoid any crashes while you're currently on game is to make sure that your Monopoly Go is updated to the latest version. Just head directly to your Google Play Store or where you downloaded the Monopoly Go and make sure that your Monopoly Go is updated. Now, once you have made sure that your Monopoly Go is fine and updated to the latest version, there is actually no actual tips and tricks for you to be able to reach the board 300. You just have to play the game, and please do make sure that you will be logging in or visit the game every day so you will also receive treats and any kinds of multipliers for you to be able to have a specific amount or a huge amount of points so that these points is gonna be used for you to be able to improve or upgrade your builds. This will also help you reach out any other specific kinds of boards in a fast manner. So this is what I'm talking about earlier. So just play along the game every day and don't forget to upgrade these buildings that you have. So once you have fully upgraded all these features right here, you will now then proceed to another board. So you just have to do that repeatedly every day and you should be able to reach the board 300. So that's it. That's how you reach board 300 in Monopoly Go.